Welcome back to the channel, and today we're diving into the 2025 Toyota GR86, a modern classic built for enthusiasts. Let's explore everything this car has to offer, from its head-turning exterior to its impressive performance and thoughtfully crafted interior. First off, the 2025 GR86 retains its iconic coupe silhouette, but Toyota has refined the design for even better aerodynamics and visual appeal. The front features sharp LED headlights and a more aggressive grille, giving it a bold and sporty stance. Side profile? Pure performance. Muscular lines, 18-inch alloy wheels, and a lowered suspension that screams agility. Around back, the dual exhaust tips and subtle ducktail spoiler complete the track-ready vibe. Let's talk performance. Under the hood is a 2.4-liter flat-4 engine, delivering 228 horsepower and 184 lp-ff of torque. That might sound like much on paper, but with its lightweight chassis and rear-wheel drive setup, this car is all about balance and control. The updated suspension enhances cornering precision, while the low center of gravity makes every twist and turn a joy to navigate. And yes, it still comes with a manual transmission for those who love a true connection with the road. For the automatic fans, the paddle shifters are quick and responsive, adding versatility to the mix. Interior design. Inside, the GR86 is designed with the driver in mind. You're greeted by bolstered sports seats that keep you firmly in place during spirited driving. The materials are a mix of premium fabrics and soft-touch surfaces, blending comfort with durability. The 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system now features wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity. And for those track days, the digital gauge cluster includes performance metrics like G-force and lap times. The 2025 Toyota GR86 is more than just a car. It's a reminder of why we fell in love with driving. It's affordable, fun, and ready to tackle any road you throw at it. Whether you're hitting the track or cruising through the city, the GR86 proves that driving passion is alive and well. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what excites you most about this car. Until next time, keep chasing the apex.